guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Hi, my name is Ahi and welcome to the third episode of this monochromatic passion series. So for today's video, as you can obviously see from the title and maybe from my sweater, which by the way, it is from Jeffree Star. I will be creating today a pink eyeshadow makeup, and I was going through my eyeshadow palettes and I have found the perfect pink shadow in the entire world. And this is the pink shadow that I'm talking about. It is from the chocolate gold eyeshadow palette from Too Faced. Trust me, it is the most beautiful pink shadow that you can ever imagine. To prime my eyelids, I will be using, as always, this eyeshadow stick from Laura Mercier, and I'll apply it here on my eyelids. And by using a brush, I'll just blend that here to my eyelids. Okay, and now using a fluffy brush, this one by BH Cosmetics in the number 6, I will take a small amount of this pink shade from here and I will apply it on my brow bone. And now with a flat brush, this one by Zoeva in the number 234, I will apply the pink shade all over my eyelid. So this is not a matte eyeshadow. I don't know if you can see it clearly on your screen. I'll just zoom in. See, it's not like super matte, and this is why I really like this eyeshadow. It's not like this boring pink shadow, which by the way I really hate. And it's very easy to create this makeup look. And actually every look that I have created till now in this series, it's very easy to create. You only need one eyeshadow and then you can just build the color and create the look that you want. And you know, it's very perfect if you want to be like super bold. You just apply the same lip color as your eyeshadow. I really like this stuff. So for this look, I'll just leave the eyeshadow as it is, and I'll apply some mascara. I know I am repeating myself, but you can use false lashes if you want, but I will use only some mascara, and this one from Maybelline. It is the perfect mascara ever that I have used from the drugstore, and I will apply the mascara only on the upper lashes. And now to complete my look, I will be using as well a very bold pink color, and I will use this lip gloss from MAC. Okay guys, so this is the final look that I have created using pink shades. Let me know in the comments below if you like this look and if it is something you would wear, or maybe you find it like way too much. And before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification, and I will see you tomorrow with the 4th episode of this Monochromatic Passion series. Bye!